you for that, Daniel. And again, guys, just a reminder, so these calls are uploaded to the YouTube channel as well, and I'll resend the link out shortly as well, just for that. It's just a handy resource to refer to, especially if you've heard something in the call. Everything is broken down into particular playlists as well, just so you can catch what particular point you're looking for from an education standpoint as well. So definitely really worth checking that out as well. So you've heard the analysis now from Daniel, and just to finish off, we do have Jin, and he'll be offering his insights into the Canadian pairs, as well as an explanation about what the LCMS Traders Club is about as well. Thanks, Jin.
All right, good morning, everyone. So Friday, non-farm Friday. As Kim Hong left, but as Kim Hong was sharing, we do think that this could be a make or break non-farm, which actually could mean that we have a lot of trade opportunities, whether it's a counter trend or whether it's a trend following opportunity. At this point, you should be waiting for the news to be released before you decide whether you're going to jump into either trades. But before I get into that, I know most of you, I've seen the numbers jump for this currency call. I think most of you have joined after watching the videos or jumping onto the channel. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, the link is going up. Get onto the channel, on the YouTube channel, where we do upload the whole for the FX Kickstarter, where I used to charge thousands of dollars for this. I have now uploaded a complete course entirely for free. There's nothing you have to pay for that, just to watch the videos, right? So it is not just about learning the methods. It's not just about the strategy. It's not just about getting that information. It is all about the support. And what I mean by support is, as you join the YouTube channel, you watch through all the videos, you're bound to have questions. You might still have problems finding trades, knowing what to get onto, what trades to, which counter trend trades to do, which trend following trades to do. The next thing you have to do is get onto the Telegram channel. Right, ignore all my other chats there, but the Telegram channel here, we have about 5,581 people on board at this time. So if you're not on already, you are missing out. This is where our Signals team is sending you trades over and over on a daily basis, just to tell you what's a good trade to get into, what's a possible market opportunity. Take profit levels, entry levels, stop loss levels, take profit levels 1, 2, and 3, telling you exactly what kind of trades we are looking at, what kind of trades we are looking to jump onto. But bear in mind, this is entirely slightly late, because on the Telegram channel, we are posting it about 5 minutes later than what our Traders Club members are getting. So Traders Club members, you are all familiar with this already. Again, someone can please help me put up the link for Traders Club. Traders Club members get this customized platform that we have. The signals are all there. This is real time. This is live signals that we send to you, telling you exactly when to jump into a trade. This is not delayed. This is as soon as we see it, we send it out, telling you to buy, to sell, take profit level 1, 2, and 3. Why do I have 1, 2, and 3? It's because there are different levels where different amount of risk you're going to take, different amount of market conditions that you could be holding on to a trade or closing out early. And if you don't know when to hold or to close out a trade, as I've seen some of the chat talk about already, you can look into the signal analysis, where we tell you not only what trades to get into, we tell you why we're getting to a trade as well. So you earn and you learn through this platform. We tell you why we're getting into a trade, following the step-by-step process that I'm teaching you on YouTube. And also we tell you exactly when to get out of a trade, secure your profits, or to hold on to it. hold on for take profit level 1, 2, or 3. It's all there here in the signals and the signal analysis. With that, I can almost guarantee that if you get onto this, you're going to be making money, you're going to be learning how to trade better, you're going to manage your risk, you're going to understand the market a lot better. Why I say you're going to understand the market a lot better is because on the trading floor here, we give you almost that real-time live update of what's happening in the market. What I mean by that is, you know, we've got my channel there. I've just posted up the link. We've got Scott with his market updates, very regular market updates, deciphering all that information, giving you all that good stuff there. And whenever there's a news happening, we tell you the news, we tell you what it could mean, whether this could strengthen the euro, whether this could weaken the euro. The OPEC summary, Kim Hong has been talking about it. It's all being uploaded there as one place to check it out. And we have all our other coaching sessions, which we have talked about a lot before. I won't go into the widgets, which I just shared with you, I think this week, but it's all there. So if you're not already on the Telegram channel, make sure you get on board. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, make sure you get on board. Those are absolutely free to join. And if you get onto the Traders Club platform here, that is a $49 a month joining fee subscription. But I can guarantee you that this is the place to be if you want to start making good profits on your trades.